Welcome to Daddy Jack's Code with the Blues here. So, another 3 or 4 a.m. epiphany. And once I get thinking, man, my mind starts going. I can't get back to sleep. So basically we're going to do some broiled tomatoes. We'll get them going. I was going to cook them ahead, but I want to show you how we're going to do it. Just get that going. We're going to make a pesto. So what we'll do is we're going to just a little bit of butter and toast these. And I tell you what, I burned so many of these stinkers. I should have bought stock in the company. And so a little salt and pepper on the tomatoes. So essentially it's going to be a breaded chicken, a pesto, or tomatoes. Nice. I mean, I want to really, really cook them down, and get some serious concentration of flavor on them. And I'm going to do some fresh mozz. But fresh mozz to me, it's got nice smooth ability, but to me, you need more flavor with it, so we're going to do mozz, a little provolone, a little parmesan. You know how we roll. So I'm not going to turn my back too long on this stuff here, but I'm going to let her go. And so I got this nifty little unit here. We had a bigger processor, but I tell you what, I grind up the stems and everything. I don't care. I mean, except down to the very end, but most of these, the tender shoots out to the top. Oh, handy dandy right here. Instead of breaking out the big daddy, we're gonna run them right in here. So I'm gonna get some a little salt and pepper. Not too much. Be careful with the salt. Got tomatoes. Nice. We want that flavor. Big time. So what I like to do is I like to toast my pine nuts. And then what I like to do is put my garlic in. When they're brown, I get that and put it in with my to develop the flavor. And then I put them in with my basil. That? Look. But don't turn your back too long on these babies. You regret it. Well, these are the grocery store, pretty expensive. I buy them wholesale, it's a whole lot cheaper. Okay. I'll do onion garlic. That just kind of cools them down a little bit. We'll put this up under the broiler. You know what? Having that little extra flavor. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna put in our olive oil. I just put a little bit of vegetable oil in too with it. This is a half blend. Olive and vegetable oil, not canola oil. Oh yeah, let's give it a taste. I'll put a little bit of Parmesan in now, and we'll add some a little bit later. Abundanza. All right. It's Daddy Jack's Cobra Blues. We're back here. We got our chicken all breaded up, pounded thin. Flour, egg, breadcrumbs, seasoned, salt, pepper. We have our tomatoes. I really want them like falling apart when they get on this chicken. See? Look at that. Beautiful. Might even take a little bit of our pesto. That's what we'll do, right, Glenn?
There you go.
We want heavy pesto there. Caprese, like a caprese salad, is layered tomatoes. Really, heirloom tomatoes are the best. Seasoned tomatoes in season, fresh. Good mozzarella. That you buy at the Italian grocery store. It's buffalo mozzarella. Okay, I don't want all this drain off a little bit. Turn our fire down. But nothing like a good mozzarella, caprese salad. With balsamic, just fresh drizzle, good balsamic. Lay that fire down low, just to toast that bottom part. Okay. Our provolone, give it a little sharpness. Well, I can almost taste it now, Glenn, huh?
It smells great.
Yeah. Not too much parm. That's it, right under the broiler. And we'll be right back in probably 2 minutes and 2 seconds, like the old Chuck Woolery. My man Chuck, well, he was something. All right. Piece de resistance. Look at that. Oh. Ooh. My God. My God, Magnum. See, I got the melt on it. Oh. Glenn, I'm not gonna be able to give you the whole
That's okay.
the whole dish, man. We're gonna have to
you eat
split.
half of it.
We're gonna have to split this one. Huh? Wow. Food, you gotta let it cool down a little bit, really get the full flavor out of it, but really good. The tomatoes, the pesto, the cheese, the breaded chicken. I think we got a good one here, Glenn. It's Dave Jack's Cool with the Blues. Here at 181 Bank Street, beautiful downtown New London. I think we just got written up in as the 20 most affordable and best cities on the coast, you know, to live. It is a beautiful city. And we all got our issues, problems, or whatever, but it's a great place. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. We got the spring is here. And, you know, we got the beaches in the summer. You got Amtrak. You got ferry boats coming from the islands. Easy to get to. Come visit us. Peace. Glenn Peltier on camera. Thank you very much.